Think tiny seeds can't make a big difference in your health? Think again. Today, we're exploring chia seeds, small seeds with big health benefits. From boosting your energy to aiding digestion, chia seeds offer a wide range of improvements to your well-being. Join us as we show you simple ways to incorporate chia seeds into your daily diet, enhancing your health with each serving. Ready to see how these little seeds can impact your life? Let's get started. Number 1. Digestive health. Chia seeds are good for digestive health. They're high in fiber, which helps with the regular movement of the bowels, relieving constipation. Fiber also helps to feed the good bacteria in your gut and helps to ensure proper absorption of nutrients. And that helps your body get the vitamins and minerals it needs. Chia seeds also help support better probiotic growth in the gut, protecting your digestive system. Number 2. Weight loss aid. Chia seeds can be a useful tool for weight loss. When they're added to liquid, the seeds absorb water and form a gel, which can expand in your stomach. This can help you feel full, reduce hunger, and ultimately help you eat less and avoid overeating. However, it's important to eat chia seeds in moderation, as eating too many of them may cause digestive issues due to their high fiber content. Number 3. Chronic disease prevention. Arguably, eating chia seeds regularly could help prevent chronic diseases as well: heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. The seeds are known to reduce the inflammation that is present in our bodies. This inflammation is a common denominator in these diseases. Chia seeds are known to improve blood levels, which keeps blood pressure low, overall preventing these chronic conditions. Number 4. Bone health. Chia seeds also are a rich source of calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, all essential minerals for maintaining bone strength and health. So, this is a good source of high-quality and dairy-free calcium for people uncomfortable with or who don't consume dairy products. Number 5. Energy boost. Chia seeds are a nutrient-dense food, which means they are loaded with a good amount of energy in a very small serving. When combining the balance of omega-3 and omega-6 healthy fats, naturally occurring fiber, and a little bit of quality protein, there's no denying that chia seeds can be a great source of sustainable energy. Number 6. Hydration. In addition to containing a good deal of fiber, chia seeds can assist in hydration. They combine with water to create a gel sometimes their weight. By incorporating chia seeds in water, they help maintain hydration, which is particularly important when increasing fiber. Fiber can absorb water from the body. Number 7. Eye and skin health. While chia seeds may not boast the same type of eye health-specific studies or omega-3 levels as the other superfoods mentioned, UV rays and blue light twinkling from all of the screens we can't seem to put away are another 1-2 punch to our peepers that chia seeds can help fend off. Number 8. Immune system support. Chia seeds have a good nutritional profile containing many essential fats like zinc, which is vital for a healthy immune system. Moreover, they contain an impressive selection of antioxidants to fight off those pesky free radicals and boost your body's natural defenses against such infections and diseases. Number 9. Reduction of inflammation. Well, those same inflammation-fighting properties can help when it comes to your dog's health. Evidence shows that its high omega-3 content can help reduce inflammation in your pup's body. Since inflammation is a common factor in chronic diseases, you can help your puppy ward off diseases like heart disease and arthritis by incorporating this seed into their meals. Number 10. Mental well-being. By adding chia seeds to your morning smoothie or afternoon yogurt, you could also be adding to your stash of mental health boosts. In addition to battling disease and promoting good digestion, chia is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which we already know are great for brain health. New studies have even found a connection between omega-3s and better serotonin regulation. Nothing like some good old mood-boosting power to get you through a gloomy day. As we wrap up today's look at chia seeds, I hope you're inspired by how these tiny seeds can make a big impact on your health. Chia seeds do more than just enhance your meals. They improve digestion, support weight management, boost your energy, and even help build strong bones. Plus, they play a crucial role in overall wellness, including hydrating your body and supporting mental health. Now it's your turn to try them out. Incorporate chia seeds into your diet with some of the simple, tasty ideas we've shared. Remember, big changes to your health can start small, like with a spoonful of chia seeds. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how you can transform your health with simple changes. Thanks for watching, and here's to your health, one seed at a time.